Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Learn to Lead Academy conducts specialized coaching classes for FEB MAT examination. The course begins from December 25th. These classes are designed to provide students with a deep understanding of the MAT exam pattern, question types, and effective strategies to tackle each section. Recognizing the importance of flexibility in modern education, Learn to Lead Academy offers an online crash course for MAT preparation. This dynamic and interactive course enables students to access high-quality coaching from the comfort of their homes. The online crash course covers key MAT concepts, offers practice tests, and provides personalized feedback to enhance each student's performance. The best study material we provide. At the core of Learn to Lead Academy's coaching philosophy is a commitment to providing the best study material. The Academy invests in creating comprehensive and updated study materials that align with the latest MAT exam syllabus. These materials are crafted to ensure the students have that necessary resource to build a strong foundation and excel in the MAT examination. By enrolling in Learn to Lead Academy, MAT aspirants not only gain access to top-notch coaching but also become part of a legacy of achievers. The success stories of previous year achievers from Learn to Lead Academy underscore the effectiveness of its coaching methods. Satvika with an impressive MAT score of 766, K7 scoring 642, Jeevithan achieving a score of 640, Manish Kumar securing 638, and many more showcase the Academy's dedication to producing consistently high-performance students. Aspiring candidates can trust Learn to Lead Academy to provide the guidance and support needed to excel in the FEB MAT examination. If you want to enroll for the upcoming FEB MAT 2024 online course, kindly enroll through the link provided in the description box, or you can also contact 88700 460 80. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.